Hello friends, myself Praveen Jagtap and my affiliation is with Department of Agricultural Economics of KK College of Agriculture Business Management, Nasik. In this video, we have to discuss about farm cash flow statement, which is one of the important financial statement that can be prepared on any farm business for the efficient financial planning of that farm business. Let me explain. So friends, cash flow statement or the cash flow budget, it is nothing but the summary of cash inflows and cash outflow of a particular farm business and is prepared for the any one season or a one agricultural year. Basically, it is prepared for the future. Therefore, it is also called as a cash flow budget and it helps to assess the time at which the funds required for farming and other farm enterprises and sources from which this can be raised, then the purpose for which the loan is required, then the need of sale and purchase of capital assets and the time and quantum of repayment. And generally it is prepared at the beginning of the agricultural year and checked every quarterly, and the statement prepared over the years serves the purpose of studying the pattern of expenditure and cash receipts and cash balance that have been raised. And a close scrutiny of the statement throws light on the performance of the particular farm business and it helps in efficient financial planning of that particular farm business. Let me explain some key terms that will help you for the better understanding of pro forma of cash flow statement. So friends, as we discussed earlier that cash flow statement is a summary of cash inflow and cash outflow of particular farm business. So friends, these are items of cash inflow and these are the items of cash outflow. So cash inflow is considered as a cash receipts and in that farmers have to record cash balance, means this is the surplus amount of previous year with the farmer, then total operating sales, returns to be obtained from the sale of farm products and livestock products is categorized into total operating sales. Then returns to be obtained from the sale of capital assets like milch cattle that can be categorized into total capital sales. Then non-farm income, borrowings. Then cash outflow is considered as a cash expenses and farmers have to record these items in that operating expenses, capital investment and family living expenses. In that expenditure to be incurred in crop and other farm enterprises is categorized into operating expenses, then expenses to be proposed to make capital investment in crop or any other farm enterprises that categorized into capital investment, and future expenditure towards food, medical, education and other items of family that categorized into family living expenses. Here it is the pro forma of cash flow statement. In this pro forma, farmer have to record his cash inflow and cash outflow in the form of cash receipts and cash expenses. And there are 4 quarters of agricultural year. In that first quarter is for June to August, second quarter for September to November, third quarter for December to February, and last fourth quarter is for March to May. First, cash inflow. Farmers have to record first cash balance that brought forward from the previous year, then total operating sales from crop or any other farm enterprises, then total capital sales, then non-farm income, then borrowings, and then here it is the total of cash receipts or cash inflow quarter wise, first quarter, second quarter, third quarter, fourth quarter, and last we can also take a total of 4 quarters in order to estimate total cash inflow of that particular agricultural year. Then next one important component of cash flow statement, that is cash expenses, or we can say cash outflow. In that, farmers have to record his operating expenses, then capital investment, then family living expenses, then payment of previous year's debt, then payment of short term loans, and installment on investment loans. Then again we can get total quarter wise, first quarter, second quarter, third quarter, and fourth quarter. Then key indicator of cash flow statement, that is cash balance. If we take difference between cash inflow and cash outflow, or we can say cash receipts and cash expenses, we can get cash balance here, or we can get cash balance quarter wise. So friends, there are two possibilities here. Farmer can get positive figure or negative figure here. First, if farmer can get positive value in any quarter, that will indicate there is some surplus amount in that particular period of time or in that particular quarter. Then if farmer get negative value at that particular negative value of cash balance at that particular quarter, that will indicate there is financial requirement at that particular period of time, or we can say at that particular quarter. And in this way, farmer can get value of cash balance in the form of surplus amount and financial requirement amount. And this will help to the farmer for further better financial planning or to estimate financial requirement of that particular farm. It may be short term, medium term, or it may be long term. Or farmer can estimate total financial requirement of that particular farm business after preparation of that cash flow statement. In this way, farmer can record his cash inflow and cash outflow in order to estimate cash balance amount quarter wise, or we can say cash balance value for the agricultural year. Let me explain advantages of cash flow budget or cash flow statement. So friends, as we discussed earlier, it is a summary of all the financial matters of the farmer in a comprehensive report, and this helps to estimate the total credit needs. It may be short term, medium term, and long term of the farmer along with the time and the quantum. It also helps to plan the repayment schedule. Then it also helps in making purchases and sales at the appropriate time, thereby helping to minimize the credit dependence of the farmers. Then it also helps to keep ready input requirements well in advance and to know the farm household expenditure pattern so that the farmers can keep limits to avoid expenses. It also helps to exercise a check on farm costs. Then it also helps to prepare farm business plans, and it is also important to bankers, or we can say it helps to bankers for revising the scales of finance or rescheduling the loans. So friends, cash flow statement, finally, it is a tool of overall financial control of the farmer as it gives value of cash balance for any particular period of time, and it helps to further decision making on financial planning of that particular farm business. So friends, it's all about short description of cash flow statement. Thank you.